What is that strange noise in my kitchen? I don't know what it is. It sounds like someone or something is tapping on the back of the fridge. There's also another noise that I can't quite put my finger on. It sounds like a small pipe or hose that is located near the ceiling of the kitchen. When I walk over to it and tap it, it makes the same noise as this. So I'm thinking it's either a loose pipe or a mouse. I have no idea why a mouse would be in here, but it's probably the most likely explanation for this sound. Let's go ahead and take a listen. There it is again. It's coming from right behind the fridge. I don't remember hearing this noise before, but it's been a while since I've been in here. If you can't already tell, I am freaked out. There's just so many weird noises in this house, and this one is definitely the most unsettling.